First thing you want to do to upgrade the struts on a 2008 Highlander is open the trunk. And I don't know if you know this, but there are 2 struts located on the rear of this vehicle, and these ones appear to be not performing up to par. As you just saw, it only opened to about here, and we're really looking for that to open up all the way. And when it's cold out, I think it only really opens to like here. So the owner of this vehicle is looking for a high performance strut upgrade, and to get going on that, there are 2 struts in the rear. There's one here and one here. And there is 2 10mm bolts here and 2 10mm bolts here for one strut, and then you'll mirror that on the other side. So let's get going with that 10mm bolt action.
Oh look, the nut doesn't just fall on the frame.
Wow.
Prepared to...
I was like, did I just shatter my lens?
Good footage.
This is what you can expect to experience when you remove one strut. So it's very important to have 2 struts on the vehicle. So we will continue on to this upper section. No problem too large or too small for hardware learning.
We can't even handle a small problem without destroying a
This is a huge problem.
camera. Just like shatters your UV filter. One thing, these might be like directional, so there's a left and a right potentially. This is left, so this is left being the driver's side, not.
We're left looking from the.
This thing
front.
says L, so I think it's L.
And there is new brackets or no new brackets?
There's new brackets.
Oh, you just have to press them on. It would be a good idea to put some silicone grease on those balls probably, but I don't think I have any.
You're just slapping
So the ball goes towards the front of the car. I believe you can purchase these replacement struts on Amazon.com, link in description, which is probably exactly where Dan purchased these.
No, these are from Rudy Luther Toyota.
Shut the up. We don't believe in dealerships. If you want to pay a premium, go to the dealership.
It's been already proven by all these other content creators that Amazon Basics products are essentially the same as OEM.
Yeah, just check out Scott Kilmer. He tests out Amazon oil and it actually performs superior to other name brands, but doesn't perform as good as FVP from your local Menards.
Hashtag planning. Hashtag save 11%. Hashtag. The ball goes towards the top. There's a little stopper here. This bracket says L for left. I don't know, it says left on that bracket anyway. But also the stopper is facing the correct way, which is down to hit the frame when the gate closes. I wonder how easy it is to pop this thing on. Pretty fucking easy.
Really?
Yeah.
Just like that. Now I would repeat the process. But before you repeat the process, if there is any moment in any of our videos that doesn't make sense, feel free to reach out to me or Dan at Chills Instagram or at Hardway Learning on Instagram, or leave a comment in the video, and we are more than happy to help you solve your problems
By Googling it.
In the meantime, don't forget to share, like, subscribe,
Hit that notification button.
hit the bell button. We'll be making some progress on the Miata soon.
One thing we're gonna try here, after watching Kyle struggle, use this little paint extension.
So anything you'd like to say before closing out this video, Dan?
Closing out this video? Keep her cheesy, keep her easy. Always keep her breezy.